skate park. It's so, but we're going to give it our all. We're going to come here next Friday.
Hopefully.
So yeah, Finn's going to quickly get me one clip. I got some
And guys, I'm just gonna, like, it's really flipping wet. You can probably tell because it wouldn't be really shiny if it wasn't.
I'm going to get one clip.
You can kind of see it. That's gonna be a one clip on. He's gonna try whip. Both times he tried it, he kind of like failed because it was too slippy. This is my first ever time. This is not sure how many times he's been here, but yeah. Yep, I'm ready.
Fucking sketchy.
Yeah, it's sketchy as hell. 'Cause it's really wet. And it's like, you can't do much when it's wet. And like,
Oh, I had that. I got
yeah. I'll say it counts if the if you land on it 2 foot and then it goes out after. I'm not sure if I did the best quality, not best quality, but like best recording this time. So I'm just watching it through my actual eyes, not the phone. That's what I mean. This really thing. He would have got that if it was flat and like wait flat. He would have got it if it was dry, but.
Are you gonna try and fly?
I'll try something.
Right, I'll film you.
Yeah. I've got all my pads on. I've got my elbow pads, knee pads. That's both in the rack.
Don't film me for a minute. I'm taking this off. Got my jumper on.
Yeah, he's putting jumping, guys. Right, you can just see how wet it is. Like, it shouldn't be shining like that at all. This is.
But if we come next Friday, for sure we'll record a decent video.
Yeah. Skate and destroy. No idea why it has that on it or any of it. So yeah. Try letting me a clip.
Yeah, what one?
I'm probably going to be doing it over there.
Try fly out.
No, not far. I'm probably just going to. Should we do a bit of pump track after this?
We'll head over there now.
After, because we just came back from there.
Alright.
So you record what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
I have to get my helmet on because I don't feel safe otherwise. Especially because what happened the other day at Norwich skate park. I hop in, lean back too much, and then smash my head on the ramp.
If you didn't know, Finn's actually really good and he's only been riding for like a month and he's actually pretty decent. If Finn does this without putting his foot down, after I'll drop it on the big bit. Finn, if you give fly out a go, I'll drop it on the big one. Alright, fair enough. Alright guys, I think we're going to head over to the pump track. Alright Finn, let's go to the pump track. We're going to take it in turns recording at the pump track. Can I? Because she's got a clip.
You record.
Oh yeah, next time we come to Bartley, I'm going to bring my chest mount.
I'll probably bring my brother's. I think my brother's go close to him. And just now.
And get some clips.
I'm going to get the first contact.
Alright.
things. But I'm going to buy some new ones.
Mine are fucked already. Basically, this pump track has been here for about 2 months, and I came the day before it got opened, and I've not been since. If you don't know what a pump track is, it's basically, well, it's this. It's pretty nifty.
And guys, those are corners that.
These little like, well, let me zoom in on one.
Yeah.
Them things, Finn doesn't like.
And so I'm just going to go around the top as I've fallen multiple times going on it. So.
Pretty decent, to be honest with you. Nice. That's the bit we're talking about. Here he comes. Take it.
Yeah.
Can I do it on your scooter?
Oh yeah. Sorry guys about bad camera quality. But it's me recording.
And it's right.
Yeah. You seem to disappear for a sec. You might anyway, I'm not sure.
I don't want when you got the time.
Now let me. Guys, he's a dick sometimes, I don't care. But oh well. It's just so hard to flip and zoom in right now, guys. Guys, that's the end. Peace. Yeah.